SPSS statistical package for the social sciences. It has remained a widely used software, for statistical analysis in the social sciences. When we talk about data management, analysis, and visualizations, then SPSS plays a major role. Now we'll be looking at one of the key features of SPSS, which is our descriptive statistics or descriptive analysis. And here I have the sex, the age, the occupation of respondents, of people that I'm going to be interviewing in questionnaires, or to get a feedback or whatever questions that have been set for them to attend to. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do that, and don't forget to hit the subscription bell so that to be aware whenever the video drop in. Thank you. Okay, we are going straight to the descriptive analysis, and I'll already define my values here as I've already explained to us in the first video. These are the cells with a value of 1 for male, 2 for female, and these are age. We have 1 0 to 5 years, 2 6 to 10 years, 3 11 to 15 years, and then the last one 5, which is 21 plus, that's 21 years and above. And then I have my occupation defined. Those are farming, fishing, civil servant, and then business. So I want to check the demography, and in terms of getting to know the percentages of people that are male, that are female. Yeah, so we have our variable view and we have your data view already. I haven't explained our value labels were defined. We can generate our data by coming to the data view. Yeah, already I got that fixed. I'll have data running from first row down to the 650th row. The data have been generated. So merely looking at this from 1 to 650, you can actually tell the percentages that are involved, the male and females, the sex, that's the age, brackets, and then the occupation of the respondent. So, and just like you explained in the first video, you can actually toggle between these. These are alphanumeric. The value labels are alphanumeric. So if you want them to be, if you want the digits, that's 1, 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, depending on how you define your labels. Just click here. You can change from that 1, 2, 3, 4 to your real alphabet, or the real words that you've already defined. As you click, you get that fixed. So very easy. What do you do? Just go straight to analyze, go to descriptive statistics, and you go on to frequencies. Yeah, go to frequencies under this descriptive statistics. So you go to frequency. Already this has been defined, the variables you need. Yeah, the variables you need. So I'm talking about the size. For instance, I push it in. When you click here, you take it back to from the pool. Take it back to the pool. So when I click on any of these items and I'm moving, I have it, structured out this way. Yes. When you're done, the chart types is, if you want to create a bar chart, pie chart, or histogram, you can do that. Maybe we could just leave it none for now. As time goes on, we'll look at other things. Okay, we'll have other things. We'll have the format. I want them in ascending values or descending values. So a whole lot. So for now, for the purpose of this class, I'm not going to touch any of this. We're just gonna get the frequency of the sex. So make sure you check these balls so you could the SPSS can display the frequency tables. So having done that, you click OK. You check for another window for the frequencies to come up. Now this is our frequency for the sex. Yeah, we have our valid percent and the cumulative percent. So our attention should be drawn at this valid percent. Now these data were pulled out, and you can not really, by mere looking at the values or by mere looking at the record, tell if this percentage is for the male or for the female. So, but with SPSS, you could actually pull out those records, and from here you could see, that the valid percent for the male, they're 48, and the female are 51. So with this, you can draw conclusions about any raw data you have. So we can close this. Don't save it for now, and then we can go back and analyze the frequency of maybe the sex, and then the occupation. Yes, put it in. These are two now, and I say okay. These are the two. You could be more than one. Variables. So now we're working with sex, the variable, and then the occupation. So look at the occupation. Among the people that you've gone out, you collected data from, those that are farmers comprised of 62%, fishing 13%. So here you could actually draw conclusions about wherever questionnaire that you've shared out